You are all welcome to AI Governance event hosted by Orodata and sponsored by African Data Hub. Today we'll be discussing how artificial intelligence responsibly integrates into newsrooms and media.
We want to take all stakeholders along right from scratch. Let us empower the media. Let us support the media in curating a functional AI governance framework that will guide ethical use and ensure that we are able to implement a framework that solves the problem that is associated with AI.
Readiness means how can we utilize what AI has made possible? How can we make the best use? What we're saying is that for us to be ready, we have to take management and start to say this tool is here. What is our policy?
Let us establish here that news should not be written by AI. Why? We say the news should be what? Authentic, original, real, based on what is happening, right? So the news is actually what is happening, what has happened. AI can make projections, what is to happen. AI can help with research, but AI should never be used for the news telling.
When you cede your thinking ability to AI, that's a major problem.
It should never be the one that drives a conversation where people are influenced, decisions are made, choices are chosen based on the information that a media house gives to an audience. So we are having a herd mentality in Nigeria. How does the media help cover this herd mentality? It is a sickness and it's a problem, and the agro-intellectuals are taking over.
This AI thing has been here for long. So the AI didn't just come up now. There's just an increased awareness. Even your Google calendar, your schedules, your calendar that prompts you, it's AI.
Yeah.
We remember that media is about public interest service. It is not about what we want, but what do the public need at every given point in time to address community-related issues.
Prompt engineering is all about how you can communicate with AI the right way. You can actually use prompting with text to specifically tell AI, do not change anything about this story.
In some newsrooms, AI is yet to be officially approved, but some of our journalists are already using AI privately, and while some are using it responsibly, others are not.
We concluded that AI is used to generate content for stories such as images and videos. And this especially happens where the reporter is not on ground to cover the event. AI is mostly information that is fed on the web. Therefore, not all generated content is accurate. This leads to spreading false information and news.
It can be vague in terms of if you want to generate news without going into the field. It can misalign with actual data.
What level of transparency or auditability should be required when AI tools are used in content production or decision making, and who should be accountable for this? We said editors should be accountable, the writer should be accountable, because you have your name, you have your byline attached to this, whatever story you're doing, and your editor who approve that story too should be accountable.